guys, finally got around to get and trying some new art supplies. So in this video I want to share them with you because I think I may have found some new favorites. Alright, let's begin with my first purchase. My first purchase is a set of 12 painting brushes. The brand name of this product is RIANZ. These brushes can be used for watercolor, oil and acrylic painting. Pack contains full range of paintbrush size and shapes with a synthetic bristle. My next purchase is 24 brush pen set for drawing planners. It has a fine marker tip. It can be used for coloring, drawing and calligraphy writing. My third purchase is 100-piece color sheet. It can be used for making cards, art and craft DIYs. Pack comes with 100 A4 size sheets, 10 sheets of each colors. My fourth purchase is A4 size handmade paper. The pack contains 10 different color sheets. It is thick mulberry paper pack with textures. Great for all art and craft projects. It can be used for making scrapbook and cards. Moving on to my fifth purchase. These are A4 size glitter foam sparkle sheet. These sparkle sheets are 2 mm thick. The pack contains set of 20 sheets with 10 different colors, 2 each pieces. It can be used for art and craft, DIY decoration, even gift wrapping. Coming on to my last purchase, these are 12 color craft wrinkled crepe paper roll. This paper roll can be used for making DIY flowers and wrapping gifts. The pack contains 13 pieces of different colors. With this we come to the end of the haul video. Hope you all enjoyed watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.